Hey guys, welcome back or to the channel. And if you've been to the channel before, you kind of know what's going on. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, liking all my videos, commenting, all the good stuff. So I do have a couple clips of putting these on the truck, but I don't know how good the quality is on these clips. I don't know how long they are. I don't know anything. I just gotta go edit them and see what they look like. But in case you guys don't follow me on Instagram, which is the same thing, it's just diesels_driven_daily. If you guys don't follow me on there, you won't know what's going on. But I did some changes to the truck and I hope everybody likes it. If not, too bad, because I like it and I think it looks pretty good. I do have more things that I want to do to this. It's not done by all means, but so far, this is what we got going.
Smoke.
So we installed 20 rock lights to this truck. We went all out. I do want to do some different things with the rock lights and stuff, but so far we only got 20 in, and as you guys can tell, it's pretty freaking bright. I like it. It looks good. Now, only if there was some powder coating underneath this, it would look stunning. We also got the door handles shining on right now. The paint match door handle switchbacks with the Morimotoled switchback bulbs and the mirrors. Just everything that I've done to it so far that you guys have seen. Paint match tails. The wiring is not super clean because I am missing the plastic fender liner or fender quarter liners that like this that go right here, so you can see all the wiring. And it's not the cleanest install job. I mean, it's only my second one I've ever done. Obviously that could be tucked up a little bit better, so I'll come in here and fix that eventually. But so for right now, it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna judge myself too hard on it. So my headlights probably will not be like this for long. I did have a stock set sitting in the garage that I did send over to my buddies down at Galaxy Retrofits. I will put their link in the description below. They do amazing work on headlights and taillights. If you guys need any custom headlights, custom taillights, paint work done on your headlights or taillights, anything like that, hit them up because they are really good. So taillights or headlights are down there, and then eventually they are gonna take these taillights and paint the borders on them because the borders aren't done, and I do want the borders done. I just want just where you can see the adhesive that seals the lens on, I just want that painted. It looks 10 times cleaner when it's done like that. And then I do need to take the tailgate off and get the bodywork done on that. Get the emblem painted because it's chipping pretty bad and it's not very good. And then get this painted to match as well. We got a lot of things coming for this. I can't decide. If you guys want to keep the steps, comment down below that you want to keep them. If you want them gone, comment that too. We'll see about taking those off or replacing them with something different. I don't know what I want to do different wise, or if I'm just going to leave them or take them off. I don't know yet, but I definitely do have a lot more in store for this truck, and I definitely want to get the powder done. I mean, the chassis is immaculate on this truck. The lift is all nicely black powder coated and everything. That's actually just a little bit of wear and tear because it's 2012, so I mean it's 10 years old already. And then the front steering stabilizers need some help big time, but other than that, it's a very clean truck all in all. I definitely want to make that def a little less noticeable so it's not, you know, so rusty, but it is a very, very clean truck underneath. But eventually I want to do everything from the frame down. I want to do powder coated. I'm not going to tell you guys the color. I'm going to keep that a secret, but I do want to do powder coating underneath the truck. As for wheels, we still just got the 20x12 Fuel Mavericks in the satin black with the milled. I don't know what route I want to go with wheels. I know I want to go at least 24x14 or 26x16s on it. You guys comment down below to see what you guys would rather see on the truck, and eventually I will pick what I want and put it on. I'm pretty sure I'm leaning more towards polished because I'm not really a fan of black. I mean, obviously it fits right now with the black headlights, the mirrors, all that stuff, but when I get the paint matching done on everything and the two-tone and everything else going, I'm not a fan of black. So I definitely want to go the polished route. I don't want to go the chrome route because the chrome route is just, they don't look as good in my opinion, but polish is definitely the move for me. So we'll go, right now we got 37 by 1250 by 20, the Yokohama Geolander MTs on it. Eventually, when I get my new setup, I want to do a 38 by 1550 by 26, either Fury or a Nitto, because those are my two favorite tires. They look the best. They don't have the bulging sidewall like these. I'm not a fan of how it bulges. I like square tires. The more square it looks, the better it looks to me. But so that's the route we want to go with tires. I don't really want to go too much bigger because I still want to be able to turn without rubbing. I would put 40s, but I don't know, 8-inch lift and 40s, that might rub a little too much on the backside here, and I might have to trim a little bit on the bumper also. But as of right now, that's the route I want to go. But yeah, it is so clean. And this was actually a DOT truck too. Back in 2017, it was a DOT truck, and it's very clean, and I want to keep it that way. Also need to get a few more things paint matched, touched up. I want to get the light up Ford emblem for up here, because I think that would tie in the front end a lot. and then also fog lights, and maybe put something right here to fill this big old gap. I'm not a fan of how big the gap is. I might do just like a light bar or something. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do there, but yeah, so far this is what we got. Just wanted to show you guys that we did the rock lights on this thing, and it is bright. Like on camera it's not as bright as it is in person. In person it is very bright. It is a very bright truck. It looks very, very good. I also do just want to give a shout out to Blackhawk Polishings on Instagram. It's my buddy Kenner. He came over and helped me get the truck looking nice again. That paint is just, it is immaculate. I just want to thank him for doing that. And then my buddy's Serenity_LBZ on Instagram. He came over and helped. I just want to thank everybody that came over and helped with the rock lights. We just took a Friday night and kicked back and worked on some trucks. That's how I like to do it on the weekends. It's a lot easier and a lot nicer than going out and spending money, because then I don't have money to spend on this thing. So obviously I want to keep building this and keep making her look better and better every day. I do want to get the newer style 6.7 badges. Those do look good blacked out, but I want to do the newer 6.7 badges right there, and then probably just do them in polished in a white. I think that would look better. And then eventually I want to get the Recon light up F350 badges right here, or the F350 themselves light up. Then you get everything else paint matched on it. And the mirrors, I want to get paint matched too. Get that full paint match going. But as of right now, that's all we've done so far. Got more to do, more coming very, very soon. I want to post once a week. I do want to post once a week. I need content, obviously, so I'm still waiting on parts. So if I'm not once a week, obviously I haven't posted for what, 2 or 3 weeks now, but I do want to get going once a week at least with my work and everything like that. It's pretty busy right now, so I think once a week is pretty achievable. And then down the road, who knows, maybe we could go twice a week, 3 times a week, who knows. But I do want to I just do want to upload once a week, and I do have more content coming. I got more things coming for the truck. We're gonna get a lot more things done, and come spring or summertime, this thing's gonna get torn down. It's gonna get torn down and everything's gonna go to the shop. Hopefully, if all goes to plan. We got a lot of things we got to do before then, you know, adult things. Got to get those hopefully acquired before then, and then if everything falls into place, then we'll tear this thing down and get her going. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to comment down below, tell me what you like about the truck, what you don't like about the truck, what you want to see done, stuff like that. If you guys want to, consider subscribing, please. It would help out a lot. Go give the video a like, and I will see you guys in the next upload.